5 passive income ideas. You can start with less than $100. Are you tired of the same old financial grind? Want to break free from the 9 to 5 and build a life of financial freedom? What if I told you that for less than the cost of a fancy dinner, you could start building a passive income stream that could change your financial future? Sounds too good to be true. Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into 5 proven passive income ideas that you can kick off with just $100 or less. Believe it or not, you don't need a massive investment to get started. With just $100, you can embark on a journey toward passive income that could change your life forever. In the next 15 minutes, we'll explore 5 proven passive income strategies, complete with real-world success stories, step-by-step guides, and expert insights. You'll learn the most accessible passive income ideas, the exact steps to set them up, real-life examples, potential earnings and growth strategies, common pitfalls to avoid, and a game-changing tip to supercharge your journey. Ready to turn that $100 bill into a money-making machine? Let's dive in. Before we jump in, if you're excited to start your passive income journey, hit that subscribe button. It's like planting a $100 bill that grows more videos just like this one. Idea 1. Print-on-demand merchandise. Our first low-cost passive income idea is print-on-demand merchandise. This method allows you to design and sell custom products without holding inventory. Here's the breakdown. Startup cost: $0.50 for design software or pre-made designs. Potential earnings: according to Printful, the average profit margin for print-on-demand products is 30–40%. Sarah Crisp, founder of Wholesale TED, started her print-on-demand business with just $10 spent on designs. She now earns over $100,000 per year from her e-commerce ventures, as reported in her YouTube channel. Steps to get started. 1. Choose a niche: cat lovers, programmers, fitness enthusiasts. 2. Create designs using free tools like Canva or invest in Adobe Creative Cloud, $20.99 month. 3. Set up a free account on platforms like Printful or Printify. 4. Connect to selling platforms like Etsy, listing fee 0.20 per item, or set up a free Shopify store. Imagine if your quirky cat design went viral and suddenly you're selling hundreds of t-shirts while you sleep. That's the power of print on demand. But wait, there's more. If you're enjoying this video so far, give it a thumbs up. It helps more aspiring entrepreneurs like you find this content. Idea 2. Affiliate marketing blog. Next up, we have affiliate marketing through blogging. This method involves creating content and earning commissions by promoting other people's products. Here's the scoop. Startup cost: $50 to $100. Domain name and basic hosting. Potential earnings: according to a survey by Awin, 37% of affiliate marketers earn at least $20,000 per year. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner started her blog, Making Sense of Sense, as a side hustle. She now earns over $50,000 per month from affiliate marketing alone, as reported in her income report. Here are the steps to get started. 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about. 2. Buy a domain name, $10–15 per year, and hosting, $3–10 per month, from providers like Bluehost or Namecheap. 3. Set up a free WordPress site. 4. Create valuable content, product reviews, how-to guides, comparison articles. 5. Apply to affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, etc. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a writer. Here's the thing. You don't need to be Shakespeare. You just need to be authentic and provide value to your readers. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better. Idea 3. Digital products on Gumroad. Our third low-cost passive income idea is creating and selling digital products on platforms like Gumroad. Let's break it down. Startup cost: $0.50 for design software or research materials. Potential earnings: according to Gumroad's 2020 report, the average creator on their platform earns $1,000 per year, with top performers earning over $100,000. Adam Wathan, a developer and entrepreneur, earned over $2 million in his first 2 years selling ebooks and video courses on Gumroad, as reported in an interview with Indie Hackers. Steps to get started. 1. Identify a problem you can solve. How to train your dog in 30 days. 2. Create your digital product, ebook, course, templates, etc. using free tools like Google Docs or Canva. 3. Set up a free Gumroad account. 4. Price your product and start selling. What if that Excel template you created for your own budget tracking became the go-to resource for thousands of people trying to manage their finances? That's the potential of digital products. But we're not done yet. If you're getting value from these ideas, don't forget to subscribe. It's like investing in your financial future, but it's free. Idea 4. Stock photography. Our fourth idea is selling stock photography. If you have a decent smartphone or camera, this could be your ticket to passive income. Here's the lowdown. Startup cost, $0 if you need basic equipment like a tripod. Potential earnings. According to Shutterstock's Contributor Earnings Report, the average contributor earns between $500 and $3,000 per year. A success story to motivate you. Alexandra Boguslawska, a top earner on Shutterstock, started with just her iPhone and now earns a six-figure income from stock photography, as reported in an interview with Format magazine. Here are the steps to get started. 1. Choose your niche, e.g., food, nature, business. 2. Take high-quality photos using your smartphone or camera. 3. Edit your photos using free tools like GIMP or Snapseed. 4. Create accounts on stock photo sites, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock Photo. 5. Upload your photos and add relevant keywords. Remember that beautiful sunset photo you took on vacation? Imagine if it could pay for your next trip. And now for our final idea. Idea 5. Rent out your parking space. Our last low-cost passive income idea is renting out your parking space. If you have an unused driveway or parking spot, this could be an easy way to generate extra cash. Here's the breakdown. Startup cost, $0, assuming you already have the parking space. Potential earnings. According to Just Park, the average person earns $1,000 to $1,500 per year renting out their parking space. A success story to inspire you. Sarah Koch from London earns over $3,000, about $4,100 per year, renting out her driveway, as reported by the Sun newspaper. Steps to get started. 1. Check local regulations regarding parking space rentals. 2. Take clear photos of your parking space. 3. List your space on platforms like Just Park, Spot Hero, or Neighbor. 4. Set your price based on local rates. 5. Manage bookings and collect payments through the platform. Imagine if that patch of concrete you never use could pay for your Netflix subscription, your gym membership, and maybe even your car payment. Now, before we wrap up, here's that game-changing tip I promised. Ready for the secret sauce that can take your passive income to the next level? Here it is. Combine and scale your efforts. This isn't just about diversification. It's about creating a synergistic ecosystem of income streams that feed into each other. Don't just stick to one idea. As you start seeing success, reinvest your earnings into other passive income streams. For example, use the money from your parking space rental to invest in better equipment for stock photography, or use your affiliate marketing blog to promote your digital products. The possibilities for cross-pollination are endless. But don't just take my word for it. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Business Venturing found that entrepreneurs who diversify their income streams are 50% more likely to still be in business after 5 years compared to those who rely on a single income source. Mind blown, right? This isn't just about making more money. It's about building a resilient financial foundation that can weather any storm. Let's do a quick recap of our 5 passive income ideas. You can start with less than $100, along with some eye-opening statistics. 1. Print-on-demand merchandise, $0.50 to start, with a juicy 30-40% average profit margin. That means for every $100 in sales, you're pocketing $30-40. 2. Affiliate marketing blog, $50-100 to start. But here's the kicker. 37% of marketers earn $20,000+ per year from affiliate marketing alone. That's potentially life-changing money. 3. Digital products on Gumroad, $0.50 to start, with creators earning an average of $1,000 per year. But remember, that's just an average. Some top creators are pulling in 6 figures. 4. Stock photography, $0-100 to start, with average earnings ranging from $500 to $3,000 per year. But here's a pro tip. Specialize in a niche and you could see those numbers skyrocket. 5. Rent out your parking space, $0 to start. Yes, you read that right. With average earnings of $1,100 per year. That's like getting a bonus paycheck just for having an empty piece of concrete. And remember our bonus tip. Combine and scale your efforts for maximum impact. This is where the magic really happens. By leveraging multiple streams, you're not just adding income, you're multiplying it. If this video has inspired you to start your passive income journey, smash that like button. It helps more people discover these ideas and start their own financial freedom journey. And trust Trust me, the world needs more financially empowered individuals. Now I'm curious, which of these passive income ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback not only helps me create better content, but it also inspires others in our community. Want more content like this? I've got 2 videos lined up, and you get to choose which one I make next. 1. How to scale your passive income from $100 to $10,000 per month. We'll dive deep into strategies for exponential growth. 2. 5 biggest passive income mistakes and how to avoid them. Learn from others' missteps to fast-track your success. Vote in the comments, and the most popular choice will be my next video. Your voice matters in shaping the content of this channel. In the meantime, why not check out my video on the psychology of passive income, how to develop a wealth mindset. It's the perfect complement to the practical strategies we've discussed today, helping you cultivate the mental framework for long-term financial success. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with a single dollar. Make it count. Every small step you take today is building the foundation for your financial future. Stay curious, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next one.